In the last class, we have completed exercise number 1.1 in page number 2, 3, 4. We have understood how to write the place value chart for 4-digit numbers. The smallest 3-digit number is 999, and adding 1 to that, we will get 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is read as 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. By adding 1 to this, we will arrive at 1001, 1002, 1003, etc. The biggest 4-digit number becomes 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. And for this, again adding 1, we will get 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This becomes 10,000. This is read as 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. Now we will see how to write this 10,000 in the abacus. We have ones place, tens place, this is hundreds place. After this, for the 4-digit number we have 1000 place. Here 5 digits are there, so one more line we will draw, and we will name this as ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Then we will get 1000 place. Now the new number has come to write the 5 digits. This is read as 10,000. So up to ones, tens and hundred, this is called ones period. This is called thousands and 10,000s together. It is called as 10,000 number. So this is read as one bead I am drawing here and no beads here. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, we will put a comma separating ones period and 1000 period, and 0 and 1. This is called 1000 period, this is called 10,000 period. Together the number is read as 10,000. Now let us try to understand the place value chart for 5-digit number. Now we will learn how to write the place value chart for 5-digit number. Place value chart for a 5-digit number. So you draw 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Here I am closing, and we will draw the vertical line, ones place, tens place, and big line, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Together ones, tens and hundred places is called ones period. Ones period. And here we have 1000 place, and this is 10,000 place. 1000 place and 10,000 place. Together 1000 and 10,000 is called thousands period. Thousands period. And here we have, this is ones period and 1000 period is there, so we will write periods. And these are the place values. And here we will write the number. So I take the number 7, 6, 3, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the ones place, 1 in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds place. So together ones period is read as 318. 6 is there in the 1000 place, 7 is there in the 10,000 place. So together 1000 place is read as 76,000. So altogether the number is read as 76,318. We separate ones period and 1000 period with the help of a comma. So 7, 6, 3, 1, 8. The number is read as 76,318. 76,318. So we will take one more number. Forty-three 592. In ones place we have 2, tens place is 9, hundreds place is 5. So together ones period is read as 592. 1000 and 10,000 period together 43 we have to read. 43,592. So separate ones period and thousands period with the help of a comma. 43 comma 592. It is read as 43,592. 43,592. Neatly copy down in the CW. After understanding how to write the place value chart for 5-digit number, today we will understand what is meant by place value and face value. First note on the definitions. Definition: place value is the value. Place value is the value of a digit. Place value is the value of a digit according to its place in a place value table. Place value is the value of the digit according to its place in the place value table. How many places a 5-digit number has? A 5-digit number has a 5-digit number has 5 places. What are they? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Together this is read as ones period. Ones period. And thousands place is there. Thousands place is there. 10,000 place is there. 1,000 place and 10,000 place together it is read as thousands place. Then what is meant by face value? Face value. Face value of a digit face value of a digit is the number face value of a digit in the number is the digit itself. Neatly write down the definition and try to understand. The place value is the value of a digit according to its place in the place value table. And face value means face value of a digit in the number is the digit itself. We will try to understand this place value and face value with the help of an example. So we have learned the definitions of place value and face value. What is meant by place value? Place value is the value of the digit according to its place in the place value table. And face value is the digit in the number that is the digit itself. Let us take an example to understand the face value and place value. I am going to consider the example 4 3 7 6 2. 2 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place. The first three places together we call it as ones period. We separate the ones period with thousands period with the help of a comma. And 3 is in the thousands place, 4 is in the 10,000 place. So the number is read as 43,762. 43,762. Now where is 2? 2 is in ones place. 2 is in ones place. And its face value is 2. Face value is equal to 2. And the value of 2 is obtained by the face value into its place. Means 2 ones are 2 it becomes. Where is 6? 6 is in tens place. And face value of 6 is equal to 6. Face value is the number itself. And its place value is given by face value into the place. The face value of 6 is 6 and it is in the tens place. So 6 into 10 we have to write. 6 tens are 60 it becomes. And third digit 7 is there. 7 is in hundreds place. Hundreds place. And to find the place value, first we have to write the face value. Face value of 7 is equal to 7 and its place value is given by face value into its place. Face value is 7, its place is hundreds place. 7 into 100 is 700. This is called place value. Place value is given by face value into its place. And where is 3? 3 is in thousands place. And its face value of 3 is equal to, face value of 3 is 3. To get the place value of 3, face value into its place. Face value is 3 and its place is 1000. 3 into 1000 is 3000 we will get. And 4 is in 10,000 place. 10,000 place. And what is the face value of 4? Face value is equal to 4. To get the place value, multiply the face value with the place. Face value is 4 into, it is in 10,000. 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. So first we have to understand what is meant by face value. Face value is nothing but the digit itself. Face value of 2 is 2, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 7 is 7, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 4 is 4. To get the place value, the face value is multiplied by the place. 2 is in tens place. So to get the place value of 2, face value into place. Face value is 2 and the place is ones place. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 it becomes. To get the place value of 6, face value is equal to 6 and it is in tens place. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. To get the place value of 7, the face value is 7 and it is in hundreds place. So 7 into 100 is 700. To get the place value of 3, the face value is 3 and it is in the thousands period. So 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000. And the last 4 is in 10,000 place and the face value is 4. So face value into place. 4 into 10,000 is equal to 40,000. This is how we have to write the face value and place values. Note down neatly in your CW. After understanding face value and place value, now let us write the expanded form of a 5-digit number. Expanded form of a 5-digit number. Just for example, we will take we will take some number 26,473. 26,473. First we will write the place value chart for this number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000 place. Here we have periods. This is place value, and here we will write the number. This is called ones period. This is called thousands period. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place, 10,000 place. So here even 2 is in the 10,000 place, 6 is in the thousands place, 4 is in the hundreds place, 7 is in the tens place, and 3 is in one place. So this is read as 26,473. 26,473. And to write the expanded form, in the beginning with 2. 2 is in the 10,000 place, so the face value of 2 is 2, and the place value is given by 2 into 10,000. Face values we are going to write. 2 is in the 10,000 place, and its face value becomes 2 into 10,000. So 2 into 10,000 plus the face value of 6 is 6, and the place value is 1000 into 6 we have to write. 6 into 1000 plus 4 is in the hundreds place, and its face value is 4. So to get the place value 4 into 100 we will write, plus 7 is in the tens place. To get the place value, face value into its place, 7 into 10, and 3 is in ones place, so we will write 3 into 1. So it becomes 2 into 10,000 is 20,000, plus 6 into 1000 is 6,000, plus 4 into 100 is 400, plus 7 into 10 is 70, plus 3 ones are 3. This is called expanded form of 26,473, a 5-digit number. Neatly copy down in the CW. So we have understood what is meant by face value and what is meant by place value, and we have understood the expanded form of a 5-digit number. Now come to page number 6, exercise number 1.2. Page number 6, exercise 1.2. We will do the first sum. Put comma in the following numbers. Put comma in the following numbers and write them under appropriate periods. Put comma and write them under appropriate periods. The first one I will do for you. 12,003. First we have to put the comma. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 1000 and 10,000. After ones period we have to put the comma. This is comma is kept as 12,003. The number is read as 12,003. And we will draw the place value chart for this. Divide it into 3 parts. First one is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This is 1000 place, 10,000 place. Here you write periods. This is place value. And here we will write the number. This is called ones period. This is called thousands period. In ones place, we have ones period, we have 3 places. The number of places in ones period is 3, 1, tens and hundreds. And there are 2 places in thousands period, thousands and 10,000s. One is in 10,000 place, right in the 10,000 place. 2 is in the thousands place, right in the thousands place. In hundreds place we have 0. Hundreds place is 0, tens place is 0, and ones place is 3. So by putting the comma we can write the number as 12,003. There is no hundreds place, there is no thousand place. So the number is read as 12,003. Okay, so neatly copy down. One I have done for you. A. There are 6 more. Your homework is page number 6, exercise 1.2. First main. A I have completed. B, C, D, E and F. Do it in HW. Thank you.